Okay, so welcome to Label Expo. If no one's welcomed you yet, welcome to the Fujifilm stand. I've got a very special guest with me for our second session. And I'd like to welcome Fidan Sari from Lüscher, but more than Lüscher. So please give her a round of applause, even though there's only a few of us. Fidan.
Thank you, Mark, having me.
Please.
Yeah,
please.
Welcome, everybody.
So Fidan, it's not just Lüscher, is it? It's a bigger organization.
Yes, Heliograph Holding is a big organization, including Helgravure, Lüscher, Glunz & Jensen, it goes on. Shepherds, Ohio, yeah, it goes on.
Okay,
yeah.
And you are?
And I am only the Flexo sales manager for the Turkey and Middle East area. And yeah, that's it.
Well, thanks for coming to Europe to sort this out. So how's the show going for you, and where is your stand?
The show is okay. You know, it is just a couple of hours ago started. Yeah, it's okay. We are all want to see new technologies, and today we are going to, for half an hour, I think, about new technologies of Lüscher exposer.
Okay, and tell us where your stand is.
The stand is in Hall 3, D21.
So it's that way.
Yeah.
You need to go outside and then
you
back
go
in
outside
again.
And you need to go out and enter the Hall 3. Yeah.
Okay. So we've saved you the trouble of going all that way until later. If you want to see more, we have a Lüscher machine on the stand here. So after this short talk, and I'm sure Fidan will be happy to talk you through what we've got over there, along with our staff as well. And you can get more of an idea about it. So, Fidan, we've got 15 or 20 minutes. Why should these good people stay here for 20 minutes? What value are we going to give them?
Actually, we are going to talk about latest innovation and some very important information about flexographic printing. And this is, I believe, a good reason and only reason to be in this show and in this booth, right?
Yeah, okay. So I've heard a lot about the exposed system. In fact, I've seen it exposing aluminium CTP plates in the past. So when I first started at Fujifilm 20-something years ago, I remember some of our customers having these with very large format.
Yeah,
and
true.
This design has been popular for a number of years. What is it about the design of the drum and the internal drum that makes it so unique?
Yeah, the drum is unique to Lüscher Technology, and yes, everybody coming from offset will know very well that Lüscher was the only company who is imaging analog on plates in this internal drum. The drum is unique and offering a lot of advantages. As you said, you can image flexo, aluminum offset, letterpress, even rotary screen plates. And you can image any thickness, any size of the plate because of drum design without compromising the size or thickness, and the productivity and the speed will be the same and the quality will be high all the time. Yeah. And also, I believe this is the most important part of this machine. One of them, that laser heads last 3 times longer than similar products in the market. And because of this unique design, the system is vibration free, and then it is eliminating all the maintenance needs. So it is maintenance free, what we call it Lüscher, virtually maintenance free working. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Because I'm used to, with CTP, a spinning drum where you have to clamp the plates and you wait, and the machine makes the dreadful noise, and the floor needs to be really thick to stop the vibration. So this is totally different.
Yeah, it's quite different, and there is no vibration. It is eliminating balancing and vibration issues, mostly linked to external drum that need tape and clamp. But in this system, you don't have this, and you can image high resolution with this system, like from 2,000 ppi up to 20,000 ppi.
Now you need to help me with 20,000
Okay.
dpi, because in an offset world, 3,600 is a lot.
Yeah, it is.
And here we are with 20,000. Why do we need such a high resolution?
Yeah, this is a great question. I think everybody is wondering why we need 20,000 while we can work with 2,000 even, right? Actually, flexographic printing is now developing, and there is a revolution with resolution. And as much as the resolution advancement is increasing, the quality of flexographic printing is increasing, and you can compete with other systems, like other different, let's say, printing technologies, and even you can exceed with this new advancement of resolution, high resolution. And why do we, how we can get this, where we can use this resolution? Actually, you need a high quality flexoplate like Flenex.
Like Flenex.
Yeah,
what
and you need a imager with high resolution, and also you need, I think this is the popular, you need surface texturing like X-mask to be able to use this with this quality. You will be able to use 20,000 pixel per inch. Where you can use for microtext on pharmaceutical labels. You can use for security printing. You can use for banknotes easily. Yeah.
So I did some homework before we met, and I read about X-mask.
Okay.
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay.
Could you explain how that works?
Yeah, sure. Actually, the story is coming from the challenges we are having with flexo printing, which is pinhole and mottling issues. And the initial experiences involved in replacing 100% solid areas with 95% half-tone screens.
All right.
Yeah, and this is the first trial which was working. We can discuss on it, but today, with the advanced technology, we are able to generate microtextures called microcells on the surface of the plate. Actually, the target is to improve ink quality, ink layer, smoother and more uniform color to reach. And the other thing is to create air channels, and then to prevent and eliminate the trapped air in these channels, and to prevent pinholes, actually. And X-mask software generates microcells with the resolution, with the selectable pattern from pattern frequency up to 1,780 LPI. You can choose. You know, it is starting from 176 and it goes up 1,780 LPI. And there is another unique function. I think it is moving the X-mask beyond other surface texturing solution, which is X-mask. With X-mask software, you can build up support for small, fine elements, printing elements. And then with this support, the stability of the dots is going to be enhanced during the printing. Yeah, this is the one that really moves, as I said, X-mask to another level. But in order to build up this texture on the surface of the plate, you need imager with high resolution, and it is essential to build up these dots on the surface of the plate. But we should not forget that the final aim is all the time reaching the quality like gravure.
So, am I right in saying you're putting a texture on top of the dot?
Yeah, we can simply say
So it's
all
like-
the surface of the plate you
So
can
it's like having
X-mask.
two sets of screening happening at the same time.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes,
Wow.
yeah.
I'm learning stuff. I hope you're all learning things today. So
Yeah,
I'm
the
definitely...
X-mask is working on the fly. I mean, after you prepared your TIFF file, then you send the file to spoiler computer, and then there you are applying X-mask software. And let's say your TIFF file is 2,540 pixel per inch. You ripped it.
Yeah.
And then when you are applying X-mask, the X-mask DPI is becoming double. It means 5,800 PPI you are imaging on the surface of the plate. But don't imagine that this structure is going to be printed. It will not be printed.
Yeah.
It is just for applying better ink transfer during the printing, or it is just for support fine elements for sharper printing and increasing, let's say, limitation of highlight dots.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. So you say in the brochure, another thing I noticed, virtually maintenance-free. So what does virtually maintenance-free mean?
I think this is the reputation of Lüscher Technologies, you know. As we said, it is one of the oldest companies, and maybe 20 years old machines still are working. So the design of Lüscher exposer is eliminating, as I said, all the vibration and eliminating all the balancing issues. And it is reducing the stress on the mechanical parts. So resulting with minimized maintenance. And we are offering remote control on the machine as well, delivering remote control, and we technically support the customer. Yeah.
So I guess with less moving parts and less weight spinning, then it improves. Okay, I get that. So in the going back to the commercial print industry again and the offset plates, there was a time when there were repro houses everywhere, and printers would buy their plates from the repro house. And then in commercial, they started to bring that technology in-house. Is this happening with Flexo now as well?
Yes, exactly. It is happening because there are multiple benefits of bringing in-house. But of course, there are critical, let's say, key factors that affecting this decision. The first one is the printers would like to have full control over their workflow. It means that they can adjust their settings precisely according to their press conditions, right? And then it also gives them the chance of producing plate faster and also accommodate last-minute changing without significant downtime. And you know, we all know that ordering something takes all the time, brings some time. You need to wait it. So if you imagine a printer that his machine is stopping, it's not reliable. And other thing is cost saving, actually. There is, of course, investment for the in-house plate making, for the equipment, but in long term and mid-term, the savings are substantial. You need to consider that, yeah. And also, this savings in time lowers with the operational advantages. It lowers the cost per plate, and it is in this way the printers can save and return their investment in a reasonable time, I believe. Yeah.
So it sounds very similar to what happened in the commercial world.
Same, more or less same.
But now it's more accessible than it was.
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Any questions from our audience? Anybody want to ask anything? No? Okay, well, that's good. Well, Fidan, you've been great. Thank you.
Yeah,
I know you were a little bit nervous, but
yes, I was. And
no.
thank you.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Can I
thank
suggest
you for
maybe,
joining us. Yeah.
I know we've got a plate that's been imaged at 20,000 dots per inch. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.